Hey guys, it's me, Sergio, with Mobility Direct, and today I want to show you what our white glove delivery service looks like in action. If you're ordering a large mobility scooter like this Afikim S4 with the full Weather Canopy, which is a pretty serious machine, our white glove delivery service is a total game changer. White glove means we don't just drop it at your door, we bring it inside, fully assemble it, and show you exactly how to use it, from turning it on, charging it, and even adjusting your seat or mirrors. Now this model is my personal favorite. It's the same one I use at home with my wife, my daughter, and even with my parents when they visit. We all ride together. A family that scoots together stays together, right? This is the kind of scooter that can change your lifestyle, but if you're not comfortable unboxing or assembling it yourself, that's where the white glove delivery service really comes in handy. Our white glove delivery technicians are extremely friendly and extremely patient. So when you need help learning how to operate your product, how to drive it safely, and how to maintain it, that's where the white glove delivery service can really provide a tremendous amount of value. Now this particular customer went all out and even got the rain sides protector guards, which keep you protected from the rain when it's raining sideways in tropical states like Florida, which happens all the time. Personally, I think that accessory option is a must if you're getting the Weather Canopy just to protect you from inclement weather. The customer was extremely satisfied and super excited to test out his brand new scooter. If you're still exploring options, grab our free catalog. We'll mail it right to your home so you can browse all of the top scooters at your own pace. If you want a copy, just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get it in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also just call our non-commissioned sales experts with the number below, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you by phone. Keep in mind, we're not just an online store. We have several brick and mortar locations, so come on by to test drive one of these bad boys today. And just a reminder, every purchase helps us give back through our community donation program. We donate scooters all the time to people that are in need. Some of them are homeless or just struggling to get around with a walker or a cane or a beat up manual wheelchair. So when you shop with us, you're helping change lives. If you want to be a part of that movement, consider shopping at Mobility Direct or telling someone you know about our YouTube channel. Share this video on your Facebook. Together, we can make a difference, one mobility device at a time. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn more about the Afikim shown in this video, scooter in this video, we've got an in-depth review video and a full playlist of videos. I'll put it on the screen at the end so you can check out every single video we have if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't have to do this alone. We're here to help you every step of the way.